Mr. Albino, you're here applying for the operations manager position. Do you have any relevant experience?
Relevant? Me run hillside operations already have 15 nanny goat, 6 kids, and 1 stubborn donkey. If that no management, me no know what is.
And what would you say are your strengths?
Strengths? Me try lie. Me no lift nothing too heavy, cause me not bodybuilder. Me no there to fling dumbbell. But you see fence, wall, gate, me buck that down clean.
And your weaknesses?
Weakness? Hibiscus plant. Me try resist them. If we no plant any in the office yard, kiss them goodbye.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In your seat, running the company, drinking bush tea, and banning fake energy.
Mr. Albino, I think there's been a misunderstanding. It's not just about looks. This is an office job. You'll need computer skills. Do you have any experience with Excel?
Me excel at everything me do. Bucking, climbing. I'm born for Excel, for real.
No, Microsoft Excel. Spreadsheets.
Spread what sheet? Only sheet me know a bed sheet now. If you drop down pan after a long day up on the hillside.
What about teamwork? Can you work well with others?
Me a no follow back goat. Me a leader. If teamwork mean me run things and everybody follow, me down.
But if teamwork mean me take orders, you can scratch my name off right now.
Tell me about your last job. Why did you leave? And what benefits did you bring to that company?
Left my last job. Big man, me never leave. Me escape. Farmer nearly put me in curry goat special. So me take early retirement through the fence and what me bring to that company. Simple. Me bring results. Me keep grass cut. Me keep the donkey in line and me teach the nanny goat them discipline.
So how do you handle stress or conflict?
Me deal with stress by headbutt it till it move. Conflict? Same solution.
Why do you want to work here?
Because me have kids for feed. Them eat grass like hurricane, me can't keep up. Plus, me tired for fight butcher every day just to survive.
What are your salary expectations if we should hire you?
Salary expectations? Well, me expect fair compensation. Me want 41K and 40,000 blades of fresh grass every month.
Plus, me nah take no less than 2-hour lunch breaks. Goat belly can't rush digestion, you see it?
And if a company can't match that, at least give me one corner of the office yard for graze. Me flexible like that.
Do you have any questions for us, Mr. Albino?
Yeah, me have one serious question for Uno. First off, Uno provide dental plan.
Cause me chew bush every single day and a dentist bill that run higher than Black Friday TV sale. Uno have health benefits plan for the family. Cause me have 13 picnic at home who love me more than me.
A whole goat daycare me running. If Uno can't cover them, me might have to renegotiate.
Mr. Albino, before we go any further, you should know we don't think you're the right fit for this job. And honestly, your demands way over the top. A $40K a month grass allowance? We can't sustain that. That's not a salary, that's a landscaping contract.
So wait, after me spend 2 hours I iron my shirt and walk from hillside bush, you tell me say me no get the job? I buck me for buck down one right now.
Mr. Albino, there is no violence in this company. We build structure, not break people. And just so you know, security is outside.
Security? Boy, me not care about your security, them. Them can get bucked down too if them step up.
But hear me out. After serious consideration, me not think me want on a job.
You no can't afford me. And that's the real truth.
Mr. Albino, I think there's been a misunderstanding. We're not offering you this job.
You no think my demands crazy? Nah, man, you no thinking too small. Big goat need big vision. That's why me can't take on a job. I'm gone back to the hillside where grass grow free and the big boss is me. You can't match that. If you say me too much for this job, you're right. But remember this, Vang. Take it as friendly advice.
No make me catch you no slipping. I guess me too much for this job.
Wait, did we just get rejected?
Thank goodness he is gone. I'm actually relieved.
Same. Imagine him in a cubicle. The copy machine would never survive. Did you hear what he said? 13 kids? 13. That's madness.
Yeah, how in the world is he gonna feed all of them now?
Easy, with company lunch. If he got hired, the cafeteria would have gone bankrupt in 1 week. Hey, let's not speak about him behind his back. That's not nice.
Who cares?
You better care. With horns like that, he might hear us from the parking lot.
The next job me a straight work from home.